Hi everyone, I'm Emma.
And I'm Jake, professional relaxer, part-time hobbyist, all-around expert at lots of stuff.
And this is Learn English with Jake and Emma. But wait, hold up. All-around expert at lots of stuff? Seriously?
Absolutely. I've been training my whole life.
Right. Well, anyway, today you'll learn simple English to talk about your free time and hobbies.
And why having too many hobbies is totally normal.
Jake, having too many hobbies means you'll never put in enough time to become an all-around expert at any of them.
Well, then how about if I take on even one more hobby? Proving you wrong.
Oh, I'm looking forward to this. Free time is the time when you're not working or studying, when you can relax and do things you enjoy.
Like watching movies, playing games, listening to music.
Or listening to yourself snore while you take an extended nap, if your name is Jake.
Hey, what can I say? Napping is a lifestyle.
Sure, dude. Anyway, today we'll talk in English about some common hobbies.
And I'll prove that I have way more hobbies than you think.
Okay, but I'm not holding my breath. Let's start with movies. A lot of people enjoy watching movies in their free time.
Oh, I love movies. Action movies, comedies, superhero movies.
You once told me you cried watching a cartoon movie.
It was an emotional moment. The talking penguin found his family.
Okay. My sweet little baby.
Very funny.
You can say things like, I like watching movies, or my favorite movie is...
My favorite movie is the one where the penguin...
Yes, Jake, we know.
Okay, you got me.
Another common hobby is playing or watching sports.
Sports are dangerous.
You think everything is dangerous.
At my last soccer game, the ball hit me in the face. Twice.
Oh no.
And I wasn't even playing. I was sitting in the bleachers, trying to enjoy the game and eat my chili dog.
Very funny, Jake. Anyway, you can say, I play sports, or I like watching sports.
I like watching sports from a safe distance, like another room.
Reading is another great hobby. Many people enjoy books, magazines, or online articles.
I read, sometimes.
Jake, reading the menu doesn't count.
Hey, some menus are very long. And if you read carefully, you might even discover a plot twist.
That's a new one to me. But for this one, you can say, I enjoy reading, or I like reading in my free time.
I like reading uplifting messages on fortune cookies. That counts, right?
Barely. Gaming is another popular hobby. Some people spend hours and hours on end playing video games on their phone, computer, or a gaming console.
Gaming is serious business. For pros like me, anyway.
Oh boy, here we go.
Last week, I played a game where I had to save the world from angry vegetables.
Vegetables?
You haven't lived until you've been chased by a giant cucumber with a bad attitude.
Sounds like I'm seriously missing out.
Oh, trust me, you definitely are.
You can say, I like playing video games, or my friends and I play games in our free time.
And I'm very good at losing. It's a skill.
And of course, many people enjoy music, listening to songs, singing, or even playing instruments.
Music is just beautiful.
Wow, that was unexpectedly deep.
I'm serious. It speaks to my soul.
You can say, I love music, or I listen to music every day.
Yep, when I'm fighting off angry vegetables and they're chasing after me and revving their chainsaws, the background music always brings me to my happy place.
I'll just have to take your word for it. Let's review some useful English words from today.
First, movie, a story you watch on a screen.
Second, sports, games like soccer, basketball, or tennis.
Third, reading, enjoying books, articles, or stories.
Fourth, gaming, playing video games.
And fifth, music, songs and sounds you listen to for fun or relaxation.
Repeat after me. I like watching movies.
I like watching movies.
Now try, I enjoy reading in my free time.
I enjoy reading in my free time.
And finally, I love listening to music.
I love listening to music.
So, it looks like you actually do have a few different hobbies.
And now we can add the newest one, proving Emma wrong about how many hobbies I have.
Today, we talked about free time and hobbies.
And we learned useful words like movie, sports, reading, gaming, and music.
Nice job following along. Now you can talk about your hobbies in clear, natural English.
Unless you've recently been hit in the face, twice, by a soccer ball.
Yeah, I guess that would make it kinda hard to talk about anything in any language. Thanks for listening,
Keep practicing your English. You're getting better every time.
and we'll see you in the next episode.
Unless the angry vegetables come back for revenge.
Oh, brother.